Jai Hind and very good morning to all of you. Welcome to you all in elocution competition. As you know, elocution competition is running in SRVS school virtually, and here 6 to 8 classes are participated in that. And as you know, children's have prepared to themselves very nicely, and I have seen their hard work because they had given so many calls to me for asking it, sir, how we will present ourselves, how my elocution presentation will be going nice, sir. So this thing will show how much serious they all are to take this competition, so ready to enjoy the elocution competition. So here will be present the glimpses of elocution competition of SRVS. So virtually they all are presented themselves, and you all will enjoy to it. I hope you all will like it. So one thing also I would like to quote here: after see this virtually performance, please give comments who will be the best among all. क्योंकि आपका कमेंट्स ये बताएगा कि किसमें से आपका प्रेजेंटेशन, किसका प्रेजेंटेशन आपको अच्छा लगा. तो प्लीज़ यू ऑल आर द जजेस एंड जज योर सेल्फ, because I want to know the level of my student through you all also. Okay, so please judge to them and give your vote. You will write the name and give your vote to them, to your favorite participant. So thank you so much. So let's enjoy the elocution competition.
Good morning, dear respected teachers. My name is Kritika Patel from class 6C, and here I am to do the role of Jhansi Ki Rani. So let's start. मेरे पिता का नाम मोरोपंत थांबे, मेरी माँ का नाम भागीरथी सापरे. मैं अपनी रक्त की आखिरी बूंद भी झांसी को न्यौछावर कर दूंगी. अगर मरूं तो सिर्फ जंग की मैदान में. और एक स्त्री में कई रूप होते हैं, माँ, बेटी, बहन, बहू. लेकिन अगर वह सभी रूप एक साथ जुट जाए तो स्वयं माँ भवानी का रूप होता है. हर हर महादेव. सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भुट्टी तानी थी. बूढ़े भारत में छाई फिर से नई जवानी थी. दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी. चमक उठी सन 57 में वह तलवार पुरानी थी. बुंदेलो हर बोलो के मुंह हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी, वह झांसी वाली रानी थी. भाग फिरंगी भाग, हर हर महादेव. थैंक यू.
Good morning, dear teachers and friends. I am Sakshi Yadav from class 6B. I am here to perform the role of Rani Lakshmi Bai. So let's get started. Rani Lakshmi Bai. It is a very unique name that has made a very special place in the hearts of every Indian. She is a very wonderful lady that is known for her braveness, smartness, and intelligence. She was born on 19 November 1835. Her mother name is Bhagirathi Sapre and her father name is Moropant Tambe. And her real name is Manikarnika and her nickname is Manu. Her mother died when she was only 4 years old, and after that her father worked in the face wash court. And she is very fond of weapons. And she learned sword fighting, horse riding, martial arts, and many more. At the very early age of 13, she stood up for the women's right, widows system, and against British and independence of India. She got married with Maharaja Gangadhar Rao on 19th May 1842. And she was still fighting against British. In September 1851, she gave birth to a son named Damodar Rao, but he died when he was only 4 months old. And after that, Maharaja Gangadhar Rao adopted a son named Anand Rao, but he kept his name Damodar Rao as the name of his previous son. Unfortunately, Maharaja Gangadhar Rao died due to his illness in 1853, and when the British saw this, they got an opportunity to capture the Jhansi. But Rani Lakshmi Bai got very furious of this unkind act of British, and she was totally against to give up her kingdom. And in 1857, she fought bravely against British army, tying her son on her back and riding on her horse Badal. In this battle, she had strong support of great warriors like Tatya Tope and Nana Rao Sahib and many more. And she was wounded by a British and she collapsed, and finally she died in 1858. And she proved that if you can't find sunshine, then be the sunshine. Thank you.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Aradhya Rastogi. I read in class 6th grade and I stand here to say a speech on Rani Lakshmi Bai, and my date of is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi is known as a great patriot and one of the most important freedom fighter during the First War of Independence in 1857. All thought she fought primarily for her kingdom. The fact is that she refused to borrow her head to the powerful Karl and Karling British Empire. In childhood, Rani Lakshmi Bai was called as Manikarnika. Her nickname was Manu. As Manu, she grew up under the care of Nana Sahib, the son of Paraswa Bajirao. At the early age, Manu was married to Gangadhar Rao, who was the ruler of Jhansi. As soon as Gangadhar Rao became serious ill, the couple adopted a son, Damodar, as they had no son of their own. Lord Dalhousie, the then Governor General, who was following the doctrine of Lath, refused to accept Damodar as the successor throne of Jhansi. The East India Company offered Rani Lakshmi Bai on annual pension of 60,000. Queen Victoria ordered British to attack Jhansi and kill Rani Lakshmi Bai. However, Lakshmi Bai was not giving the throne of Jhansi so soon. She collected arms and ammunition, and when the British attacked the fort of Jhansi, they were surprised to see the sword in the hands of Queen. Certainly, she could not dominate the British army, but she fought till her last breath and gave her life for the sake of freedom. Jhansi Ki Rani is a poem written by Subhadra Kumari Chauhan and inspired by Queen of Jhansi. Thank you. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Mera Bharat hai Mahan.
Anamika, standard of 6A. Today I am going to attend the role of Indira Gandhi, and the thought from Indira Gandhi was peace we want because to fight against the poverty, disease and egoism. 6C. Today I will give a speech on Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai was the CEO of Google. He struggled too much at his childhood time. He was born on 10th June 1972 and his father was a small engineer and his mother was housemaid. He was very genius and firstly seen computer in IIT Kharagpur. First three things has changed his life. First, scooter. Second, refrigerator. And third, telephone. With the help of scooter, his father can give time to him. With the help of refrigerator, his mother can give time to him. And with the help of telephone, they can call anyone from the home. But when the telephone not come to house, his father have to go outside to call anyone with the help of trunk call. When the Sundar Pichai knows that with the help of machine we can save time, he opened the landline because he was very fascinated but cannot close it. When his father knows that he has opened the landline but cannot close it, they have beaten him very much. But understand that he was not a simple child. and then he has cracked the IIT Kharagpur and got admission on Stanford University. And after completing his study, they got a job on first in consulting company for very little time, and then got job in Google. And after getting the job on Google, he was very Microsoft was observing him for many times. And once a day, a call from Microsoft come for him, and Microsoft were telling that they were making him the CEO of Google, CEO of Microsoft. So when this information tell him to his Google, so the Google go to the survey of employee that they were favorable of Sundar Pichai or not. If they were favorable, they will make him the CEO or not. If they were not favorable of him, so let him go. 95% of the people were favorable of him. So the aim of this story was the help of hard work we can achieve anything. राजा का बेटा राजा नहीं होता. Thank you.